Today, we're diving deep into how you can make money writing on Medium. This platform offers incredible opportunities for creators to monetize their passion for writing, and we'll explore the most effective strategies. The primary avenue for earning is through the Medium Partner Program. To join, you'll need to have published at least one story and meet certain follower requirements. Once accepted into the program, your eligible articles will earn money based on how much paying Medium members read and engage with them. The key here is creating high-quality, engaging content that resonates with your audience. Focus on topics you're knowledgeable and passionate about, and ensure your articles are well-researched, well-written, and visually appealing. The more engaged readers you attract, the higher your potential earnings. Beyond the partner program, you can also explore sponsored content. This involves collaborating with brands to write articles that subtly promote their products or services. Research brands that align with your niche, pitch them your ideas, and negotiate fair compensation for your work. Diversifying your income streams is crucial. Consider building an email list from your Medium audience to promote your own digital products like ebooks or courses. You can also leverage your Medium articles as a portfolio to attract freelance writing clients or speaking engagements. With consistent effort, engaging content, and strategic monetization, you can turn your Medium writing into a significant source of online income. Start writing. Start earning.